everyone, Richard here. I'm currently at the skate park. So there are quite a lot of skateboarders here. I hope I can run the Mavic 3 with the active track on them. I hope the picture will come out and I don't crash this thing. So let's have a look now. Can you start? You stand there? Yeah. Okay, YouTuber lah, YouTuber. Tangkap you dulu nanti. Active track dulu. Ha, ada cikgu. Okay, boleh. Wow, he's tracking it very well. That's not bad. Okay, lost it for a while, and then now it's above it. Okay, it's tracking. Okay, now it's tracking. Finally, you got hold of the subject. So it's just staying in the position, and then it's tracking the skateboard. Wow, it's not bad. Oh, lost it. Okay, lost the subject. I change to you, okay, and then I come closer because I'm trying to do the active track. Okay. So we have really good performers here. Let's hope I can get you. I better stand far away if not you track. Yeah. And move. Oh, does it catch it? Does it catch the skateboarder? Well, it's still trying to do POV. I don't know why. It's still I want to shoot you from the front, right? Yeah, maybe you try it. Can try. Thanks. Okay, seems to be moving now. Yeah, okay. Hopefully it doesn't crash into anything. Okay. Now it's following you, yeah. Yep, now the drone is following. Whoa, okay. So I just hope it doesn't smash on any buildings. Wow, this is cool, man. It can get a... Okay, now it can't fire and it's going somewhere else and it's going to crash. That looks bad, right? Lost subject. Lost you. It lost you. Oh, okay. Let me try to get you back here. It moves, right? Yeah, it moves. Great. That was a great shot, actually. So that was really cool. Hopefully it doesn't hit the lamppost. It's so near the lamppost. Okay, it's tracking the PO. Okay. Oh my god. That's freaking scary. Oh. Wow, not bad. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow! 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 I'm gonna have a heart attack on this. Wow, pro. Okay, I'm gonna have a heart attack. I better stop this. Okay. Well, I'm not sure. I was like having heart attack. It's too expensive to crash. Okay, so we got a pro there. Oh, it was pretty scary for me. I think probably that's all. I could better stop this. Oh, I bring it back. I think my fingers are all shaking now. So I better land it before I start sweating, because I'm already having some heart attack here after that. So it's pretty scary. And let's bring it back here. And land it, yeah. Okay, that's like I almost had heart attack with this, so it's pretty scary. Hey, thanks to y'all for your show. I'm really wow, I was having heart attack, man. It's like you have a look at it.
Do they have avoidance on the top?
360 avoidance.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Supposed to be lah. Sometimes firmware, you know. Sometimes it's like it just smash. If you see a lot of YouTube, right, you see they all smash, but they go near very small tweaks. So that's bad. But because this is surface, maybe it's better.
I have a mini, but
Yeah.
I haven't tried it before.
Oh,
So maybe I will bring next
you
time,
need
let
to
you
you need to fly here.
This is the Hasselblad.
Yeah, Hasselblad.
Damn.
Yeah, that's why I say it's too expensive to crash this drone.
Yeah, yeah.
I was like, heavy heart attack. So it's like, thanks lah. Actually, I brought my RC. I wanted to run the RC here, but you guys perform better than the RC. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Bye.